Imagine a world where businesses not only respond to customer needs, but anticipate them, where operations are streamlined beyond current capabilities, and where new opportunities are uncovered through insights invisible to the human eye. This is not a distant future. It's the unfolding reality shaped by artificial intelligence. As we navigate this transformative era, understanding AI's trajectory in the business landscape is not just advantageous, it's essential. The current landscape of AI in business. AI has rapidly transitioned from a conceptual innovation to a core component of modern business strategy. According to recent data, the global AI market is valued at over $390 billion and is projected to increase in value by over 5 times in the next 5 years. Furthermore, 83% of companies now consider AI a top priority in their business plans. This surge underscores AI's pivotal role in enhancing operational efficiency, fostering innovation, and securing competitive advantages. Key trends shaping AI's business impact. 1. Enhanced decision-making with AI reasoning. AI's evolution now encompasses advanced reasoning capabilities, enabling systems to analyze complex datasets and make informed decisions. This advancement is particularly evident in sectors like finance, where AI algorithms assess market trends and guide investment strategies. For example, UniCredit has implemented an AI-driven tool, DealSync, to identify smaller M&A opportunities, generating 2,000 leads and securing 500 mandates. 2. Agentic AI, transforming operations. Agentic AI refers to autonomous systems capable of performing tasks without human intervention. Businesses are leveraging these systems to automate intricate processes, from customer service chatbots to supply chain logistics, resulting in increased efficiency and reduced operational costs. For instance, PwC has introduced a platform called Agent OS, designed to enable AI agents to communicate and work cohesively, transforming AI agents from isolated entities to a coordinated armada. 3. Hyper-personalization through AI. Companies are utilizing AI to deliver personalized customer experiences. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, AI enables businesses to tailor marketing strategies and product recommendations, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. A notable example is Papa John's partnership with Google Cloud to integrate AI into its ordering processes, personalizing customer interactions and streamlining operations. 4. AI-driven innovation in product development. AI accelerates product development cycles by facilitating rapid prototyping and testing. Industries such as automotive and pharmaceuticals are witnessing reduced time to market and cost savings, positioning them ahead in competitive markets. According to PwC, adopting AI in R&D can reduce time to market by 50% and lower costs by 30% in industries like automotive and aerospace. 5. AI as a catalyst for sustainability. Businesses are employing AI to optimize energy consumption, reduce waste, and promote sustainable practices. For example, AI algorithms predict equipment maintenance needs, preventing energy wastage and extending machinery lifespan. In retail, companies like Old Navy are implementing AI-driven inventory management systems to enhance stock precision and reduce overproduction, contributing to more sustainable operations. Real-world examples of AI integration. Amazon's AI shopping assistant, Rufus. Amazon's AI-powered assistant, Rufus, has significantly influenced customer purchasing behavior, contributing over $700 million in operating profits in 2025. Rufus enhances user experience by providing personalized product suggestions, thereby increasing sales and customer engagement. Papa John's AI-enhanced ordering system. As we mentioned before, Papa John's has partnered with Google Cloud to integrate AI into its ordering processes. This initiative personalizes customer interactions and streamlines operations, reflecting a broader trend of AI adoption in the fast food industry to boost sales and improve service. UniCredit's AI in mergers and acquisitions. As we mentioned before, UniCredit implemented an AI-driven tool, DealSync. to identify smaller M&A opportunities. This platform has generated 2,000 leads and secured 500 mandates, streamlining deal sourcing in the SME market and demonstrating AI's potential in financial services. To harness AI's full potential, businesses should consider the following steps. 1. Invest in AI literacy. Equip your team with the necessary knowledge and skills to understand and implement AI technologies effectively. Offering AI training and fostering a culture of continuous learning can empower employees to leverage AI tools proficiently. 2. Foster a culture of innovation. Encourage experimentation with AI solutions to identify areas where AI can add value and drive growth. Adopting a phased approach allows for manageable integration and helps in scaling successful AI initiatives. 3. Ensure ethical AI practices. Develop guidelines to address ethical considerations, ensuring transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI applications. Establishing robust plans for regulatory compliance, security, privacy, and trustworthy AI is crucial to manage risks while encouraging innovation. So that's all for today's video. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into technological advancements shaping the business world. Share your thoughts and experiences with AI in the comments below. We'd love to hear how your organization is navigating this transformative era.